Hey, Janice here, and I am going to speak to you a little bit about your mindset, about how your mindset plays a huge role in building this business. And really, it's just a decision, a choice that you're going to make, that this is non-negotiable. You draw a line in the sand that no matter what it takes to make this business grow and work, no matter how many times people tell you no, no matter how many times you mess up, no matter what, that this is what you're going to do. No matter if it's going to take you an hour a day or 3 hours a day, but that you're going to commit to it. It's a mindset. No one started this business knowing exactly what to do, knowing what they needed to do. We all sucked at first, and we all just kept pushing towards what we saw other people having, the success that they were having, and seeing them be successful made me realize how easy it is for me to be successful. Success is unlimited. It's out there for everyone to achieve and acquire. So why not me? Why not me and my family? You know, I didn't have any coaching experience. I didn't have any personal training experience. I didn't have any nutrition experience. Whenever I first started, I was a discount coach. I played around with it. It was a hobby. Sometimes I really wish I had a mentor that would have spoke to me a whole lot sooner. I literally quit this business and joined again later after I realized that there are people in this business that would lead and mentor and coach me. That's what I needed. I needed guidance, and no one should ever feel like they're in this business alone. They should know that it's their very own business and they can run it however they want, but you should never feel that you need to recreate the wheel and start from scratch and having to do this all on your own. Now, there are coaches out there that have done it. That's just their personality and their style. Like, they don't want to take direction from anyone else. They want to, you know, implement their own thoughts and ideas, and they just run with it. And most people are not like that. And so, you know, a good coach and good mentor would invite you into this group. That's the first step, is that someone cares enough about your future and your goals and helping you have success that they invited you to this group so that you could better understand the first steps into creating this this very small investment. Really, if you think about it, it's such a small investment that sometimes it's hard for us to wrap our minds around the thought that this is a real business. So many people spend $20,000, $40,000, $60,000 to create and open up their very own business and be their own boss, open a franchise or whatever it is. And so whenever they invest that kind of money, of course, they're going to do whatever it takes to make that business work. But you know what? 1 out of 10 businesses still fail. And they're out that money and they have to pay that money back whether they made a dime or not. So I think sometimes people come into this business thinking, you know, it's only a $30 sign-up fee, or it was only the cost of my own product. And they can't fathom that this is a $1 million company, that people are making millions of dollars. I'm a 6-figure earner, and it's not all about the money, but it is about the goals that I set for myself, and it's about the financial freedom that I want for my family. It's the things that I want to provide for my family. And the one thing that I told my coach whenever when I signed up again the second time, and I realized that there are coaches out there that want to see me succeed, that want to help lead and mentor me and train me. Once I saw that and I signed up, the first thing I told her was, I'm tired of getting handouts. I'm tired of asking for handouts. I'm always on the receiving end of a blessing, and I want to finally be able to do that for other people. And I can't even start to tell you, it would take me too long to share with you the many ways I've been able to bless other people, not just financially, but through what I've learned and what I'm able to share, and the mindset I have now, the positivity, the type of person I am, because this business completely changed my life. The personal development that we do in here is mind-blowing. You know, I learned to stop having a scarcity mentality. I started to learn and understand that people with money are not all jerks, you know, that a lot of them are very caring and giving, and that I don't need to be afraid of success, and I don't need to be afraid of making money, because people that have money are able to help other people. And that is the mind shift. That's the things that I had to internally change before I could actually see myself making this a real career. And then, even though I decided that that is what I wanted to do, stuff happened in my life. Things changed in my life, and I had to step up my game. I knew that other people could do this, and I knew if they could, I could. They were just normal people like me, showing up every single day in the lives of other people, wanting to make a real difference. And if you're willing to do whatever it takes, stay up late sometimes, get up early sometimes, listen to training calls, finish what you start. If you decide to do that today, you're going to see amazing things happen, and you just stay plugged into your team, you stay plugged into these trainings, and you don't give up on yourself. That's the mindset that you need, and I hope that this video helps. If you have any questions at all, let me know, and I hope that you take time to jump on live, the Zoom call, or at least listen to the recording. Alright, we got another post coming at you soon, so make sure that you check out the next post. I'll talk to you guys soon, or see you soon. Bye.